Ever lost photography gear? Looking for ideas for how to recover camera gear after it's been lost? Today at the House of Hacks, I'm going to show you a strategy to help your lost gear find its way home. Hi, if we're just meeting, welcome. I'm Harley and this is the House of Hacks, where we work with things related to the workshop. Things like wood, metal, electronics, and things of that nature. Today we're talking about photography gear. I belong to a local photographers Facebook group where occasionally somebody will find some camera gear that has been accidentally left at a popular shooting location. Generally what will happen is a post will go out on the group describing the gear, where it was found, and who to contact to retrieve it. Oftentimes the person is a member of the group and sees that post and is able to get their gear back. Inspired by these posts, this is the first of several tips to help reunite you and your gear if it ever gets lost. And today's tip is to update the metadata in your camera. This information will get saved into every photo that's taken with that camera. All the Canon cameras I've owned have come with a program called the EOS Utility. Inside this utility is a camera settings section, and inside this section is a place for you to enter your name and other contact information. When this data is uploaded to your camera, it will be added to every photo that's taken by that camera. This helps in two ways. Every image you take with that camera has your information in it that can help resolve any copyright disputes. And if your camera or memory card is ever found, somebody can look at your photos and find your contact information to get a hold of you. And if you find a camera or memory card, look at the card in either Windows Explorer or the Mac Finder. Any information the user has stored in the metadata will be shown in the information panel. This way of identifying your gear is a great first step, but only works for your body and memory cards. And it's not intuitively obvious to anybody that finds it that it's there. They have to know to go look for it. I'd love to hear in the comments below if you've done this. I'd also love to hear if you know how to do this for other camera brands. In future videos, I'll give additional ideas for identifying your gear. I'll see you in one of these videos that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. And when making things, remember, perfection's not required, fun is.